Imagine a bustling city that never sleeps. Towers rise high into the sky, streets teem with activity. But what powers this urban giant? The answer lies in a hidden network, constantly generating energy. This is akin to how our cells function. They are bustling with activity, requiring a constant energy supply. That energy comes from a remarkable process called cellular respiration. And at the heart of this process lies glycolysis, the initial, crucial step in how our cells make energy. Glycolysis is the unsung hero of energy production in our bodies, a fundamental process occurring within every living cell. It's the initial breakdown of glucose, a sugar molecule that fuels our cells. This process is the spark that ignites the energy production cycle. Imagine a vast factory with different departments, each with a specific role. The cell is like this factory. Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm, the cell's busy factory floor. This is where the magic happens, but crucially it happens without the need for oxygen. Glycolysis is an anaerobic process, meaning it doesn't require oxygen to proceed. The goal of glycolysis is to break down glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, into 2 molecules of pyruvate, a 3-carbon compound. This breakdown is not a single-step process but rather a carefully choreographed 10-step metabolic pathway. Think of glycolysis as a 2-act play. Act 1 is the energy investment phase, where the cell invests a little energy to get the process going. Like any worthwhile investment, it yields a significant return in Act 2, the energy payoff phase. In the energy investment phase, glucose is first phosphorylated, meaning a phosphate group is attached to it. This is like adding a handle to a suitcase, making it easier to move around. The molecule then undergoes isomerization, rearranging its structure. Finally, a second phosphorylation event occurs, priming the molecule for the energy payoff phase. Act 2 of our play, the energy payoff phase, is where the real action happens. Here, the modified glucose molecule is further broken down. This breakdown releases energy, which is captured in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the cell's primary energy currency. Along with ATP, another crucial molecule is produced, NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NADH acts as an electron carrier and is essential for later stages of cellular respiration. The star of the show, however, is pyruvate, the end product of glycolysis. The fate of pyruvate depends on the presence or absence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, aerobic conditions, pyruvate embarks on a journey to the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse, for further energy extraction. However, in the absence of oxygen, anaerobic conditions, pyruvate is converted into lactate in animals or ethanol in plants. Glycolysis, while just the first step in cellular respiration, is a vital process for life as we know it. It provides the initial burst of energy that cells need to function, kicking off the intricate dance of energy production that keeps us going.